Hey, Robert, this is Brianna from Toriar Digital Marketing. You had spoken with my employee Sheila and told her that we could send you this video. So I'm just making this quick video to give you some tips on using Google's language on your website so you can start bringing in more customers for free. And we're doing this because I used to own my own roofing company here in Alaska. So I do understand the struggles contractors deal with. And I also get being a business owner, you're really busy running that business and you don't have the free time to sit in front of the computer every day and learn how to keep up with the internet and make it work for you to bring the business to you. And what we found was the biggest thing holding business owners from hiring a marketing agency, holding them back, it's because you don't know who's going to be an expert or a waste of time and money. So we really believe in giving value up front, and we've been making these custom plans of attack and giving them away for free. And there's still been business owners that reach back out to us and ask for our help to get this stuff done. So if after this video you see that we know our stuff and you're confident we can deliver you the results you're looking for, go ahead and give us a call and we can have a chat. If you want to take the information and just make changes to your site yourself, please do. This is free education. I'm here to talk about 4 quick points today, and that's going to be security, content, citations, and backlinks. So I'm on your homepage here, and I want to point out right here it's showing not secure. This is called Ssl Encryption, and it is crucial not only to get ranked by Google, but also to keep visitors to your site on your site and protect your information and your customers' information. So not having SSL encryption puts your site at risk of hackers. Hackers are able to go in, make changes to your site, as well as if you have any contact forms where customers fill out information, they can get all of that information. So to protect yourself and protect your customers, take a couple of minutes and get the SSL encryption completed. This also will help you rank by Google because they see you're not a spam site. Now going into the appearance of the site, the appearance is very simple. If we click on residential, we're going to get information about residential. If we click on commercial, we're going to get information about commercial. Now the appearance is for the customers. Google is not ranking your site based on appearance. Google is using bots called crawlers that are scanning all the content within your site. By the way, I see someone, whoever built your site, Mimar Network, they're putting keywords at the bottom here. Google, they've updated their algorithms. They see this and they're not going to give you any credit for it. The reason being is because it's supposed to be naturally put into the content. Now, when you're doing content, it's recommended you have at least 1,500 words on the homepage and then at least 500 words on each back service page. This goes for commercial and residential. Now, you also want to use a rule of thumb. For every keyword, right? This is one keyword. For every keyword, you want 100 words of content to support it. When you have your site built this way, it's going to do 2 things. It shows Google that you're an expert in the industry, and it's going to have Google putting your website at the top of more search results, which means more customers. I also wanted to point out you've got some errors happening here near the bottom where words are overlapping. So I wanted to give you an example of a keyword. Roofing Virginia Beach is getting searched 390 times a month. So when customers do a search, they're going to see this map pack or Google My Business. To get this optimized, you need to add your company contact information, photos, and website. Then you want to get your information into as many citations as you can. Citations are online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, BBB. There's thousands out there, but you need your information on at least 100 directories more than your competitors to rank above them. Now, the top 3 is where customers call the most in the map pack. Continuing down is the organic search results. The top few sites Google is rotating for that top position, but this is a citation page. So your top competitor is Best Roofing of Virginia, who's also dominating the map pack. So let's take a look at what they're doing here. So we can see they have a lot more content on their site, which is why that 1,500, 500 rule of thumb will help you beat them. For the other side of things, we use a tool called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool showing what's happening on the back end of a website. So here I can see your homepage has a ranking of 6. Your domain ranking for the entire website is still at a 0. These rankings are on a scale from 0 to 100, comparing your website to every other website on the internet. And the ranking is made in part by the backlinks. So a backlink is just when another site online is linking to your site and pushing traffic to you. Google uses backlinks to be competitive, so you want to be careful. They're not all created equal. So before you link to a site, make sure that it is high ranking and relevant to your roofing industry. Right now, you have 5 links coming from 5 sites. You have 23 keywords, and right now, you're not getting any traffic. If we take a look at Best Roofing of Virginia, who we know is ranking, we're going to see their homepage is a 34, and their entire site is a strength of 5. So they're going to be easy to beat. But what we do here is we'd search through their 560 backlinks to find the ones giving them the most authority, and we'll put them on your site so that you get the same ranking. Success leaves clues. Then we're going to hunt down backlinks none of your competitors are using. That way we can put them on your site and give you the most authority so you can dominate the market. Now, their links are coming from 95 sites and they have 188 keywords. All of this is giving them 243 traffic a month. So even if only half the visitors to their site filled out that contact form and called their phone, they're looking at 120 roof jobs a month. So the opportunity for you guys to grow is there. You just need to know what your customers are searching and how to put Google's language on your site so you can start getting ranked. Quick recap, you need to get the Ssl encryption to protect your information and your customers. You need to get at least 1,500 words of content on the homepage and at least 500 on each back service page. Use that rule of thumb. For every keyword, you want 100 words of content. Then you need to get your information into as many online directories as you can to start ranking in the map pack. And you want to go get high quality, high ranking backlinks that are relevant to the roofing industry. With these steps, you're going to be ranking #1 across Google. Now, I know this was a lot of information. I'm sorry the video went a little long. I just wanted to make sure you had everything you needed. So if you take these, you apply it yourself, that's completely okay. It's free education. My team is really just looking for the feedback. We want to know if we did deliver good value when we sent you this video. If you did want any help getting this stuff done because you see the value in it and you just don't have the time yourself, I totally understand. Go ahead and give us a call. We'll have a chat and see. We can get your phone ringing off the hook with customers or even employees if that's something you're going to be needing to grow your crew. Thank you so much for letting us send you this video. I really hope you enjoyed the value that you got from it and taking the time to watch it. Sheila will follow up with you in the next few days just to get your feedback. So you take care. Enjoy the rest of your day, man.